Hello, welcome back to another episode of Lisa Takes This. Lisa Takes Stuff Out of Boxes featuring
Dawn.
Oh my god.
That's quite good, wasn't it?
Right, that's it. Where's the HR? Where's it? Kimmy? Kimmy, come on. What's all this stuff up here then?
Yeah, not moving the camera.
Do you know what these are actually? These are really good.
I don't know what they were.
Got them from John Lewis. And I need to put them around my clothes. It's for moths.
Oh.
All right.
Moth ball things.
Yeah, but they're not.
They're
moth like hoops. Like you'll see. Anyway, hi guys. It's going to be a short one today-ish because we haven't got.
I've never had a problem with moths. Just FYI.
Never.
No.
Oh. But I've got a lot of like things that might be eaten by moths, and we leave our windows.
So
we like our windows open in the day
moth
when we're
comes
here.
in and then it's like, oh, I like this, and then like multiply.
I don't know what happens. I think no. This is what they look like. You put them on your hanger.
Oh, great. And then they don't like them.
Yeah, they don't like them, so they don't go near it. But I'm like confused. It must smells nice to us. Yeah, but it must smell like well bad to them.
That's a really good idea, Lis. But you know they've been up there a little while now, haven't they?
Well, they have, Dawn.
Yeah,
but like you know, okay. What's this set on my light? Yeah, okay. All right. Anyway, basically, I'm going away on Friday to the body camp.
Without me.
Without you.
Oh, it smells good.
I think that's actually the blueberry bath bomb that's in there that's making them smell good.
Oh, maybe.
There's also Matilda, my friend's daughter, gave Theo a blueberry lush bath bomb. So yeah.
Ooh, nice.
So I'm away on Friday for a week. So this is going to go live on Saturday, and then there won't be a video the week after. But there'll be a double whammy the week after that.
Double whammy jammy.
So we're just going to go for this quick, and we're off. Do-do-do, do-do, do-do. Oh, firstly, there's some slippers. Dawn, do you want to tell everyone about the slippers that you got last week?
So I got some slippers last week. Lisa kindly gave me them. I had to kindly give them to Luna to eat.
That's a dog.
My dog, because you just sort of slip out of them. I can't quite explain it. You,
Dawn
just
was
like,
like-
you walk as if you're drunk. You walk as like if you've got a pair of high heels on and you're walking and that's how they feel.
That is so
They're really
weird.
soft. They're really soft, really lovely, but you can't.
Slippy.
Walk. Yeah, you just your feet like slip out of them, so it's like you're drunk.
I would really like you to film a video of you walking in them now. So we've got some slippers. Oh, is it? Dawn, you can have these ones though. Look, these look nice.
They look really nice.
And this looks like, is there anything in with this? No, Murad. Targeted wrinkle corrector. Oh, well, you know I love a bit of Murad. And who doesn't want something to target their wrinkles? Right, what's your worst wrinkle? Mine's this one.
My one's, I've got a deep one across my forehead.
Oh, yeah, two actually.
You are, can I use word knob? You're a knob.
Yeah, you can.
You're a knob.
Right, but you can't see it unless you frown.
Yeah, but then sometimes if I put makeup on...
Okay, relax.
It can...
Oh, yeah, you can see a little bit.
I
It's
need
a
a bit
small.
of Botox,
You don't need, no, you just need this. Murad's Targeted Wrinkle Corrector. I would say you can have it to test, but you can't because I want it. And also, you never test things, as we say every week. Come on. No. Then we got some macaroons. Now, me and Dawn had a conversation about macaroons.
Macaroons aren't very nice.
Don't like them.
Conversation, they're way too sweet.
Especially one that's like an Earl Grey. Right, we've got to try it now.
Oh, I just don't... You bite into it, go and you try it.
Earl Grey.
Give it a 10 out of
Oh, no.
5 out of 10.
No.
Does it smell funny? Earl Grey's the worst
No.
tea as well.
What?
It's so flowery.
Do you know the worst thing when people put milk in Earl Grey? No.
Oh, you're not meant to? It's just like flowery. It's awful.
It's not for me.
I was at work once and this girl kept making me cups of tea.
Yeah.
And I had to say to her one day, oh, I'm alright, thank you, because I thought she couldn't make cups of tea because they were so disgusting. And I realised they were
Earl Grey. Hey, by the way, these are chocolate mint, not Earl Grey.
Oh,
But guess what? They had a Nutella flavour.
Oh.
Oh, let's just make sure this isn't Nutella. I would have loved that. No, they're vanilla. Do you know what we'll do? We give them to the builders. We're grateful, by the way, Dawn.
Really
we sounded really ungrateful then, didn't we?
No, we're really grateful, but next time could there be brownies or something? No, I'm joking.
We just like to be honest.
They're not my cup of tea.
Wow. Well, the thing is that you... Exactly. You're literally laughing hysterically at yourself. Oh my God. Okay, it's done now. We'll have a... No, right, still... Right, good, great, good. Shiseido and Roxy, they did something last year, a little collab as well, and I love this SPF. I just packed this for Mallorca, and it's the SPF 50 Expert Sun Protector, and then they've got the After Sun Intense, and it's really cute little pack. There's a fun bonus inside.
Oh, free holiday.
Oh, that'd be good. Imagine. Oh, it's the very first Shiseido and Roxy Sun Care collection. I'm sure they've done this before. It is fun. Little tattoos.
I've done that exact one before.
Are you sure this isn't from last year and you've just found it? Anyway, £32. Dawn, where did you find this? Oh.
No, it can't be.
Are you sure? Because I did have all the SPF down here.
No, I wrote that downstairs and I cleared that covered out unless it's been moved into there. Well,
potentially it's available now, but if it's not...
It's definitely available now, I've seen it. But
okay, fine. It's not the first one, I feel like they're lying.
Yeah.
No, more Shiseido. Oh my god, these look fun. Hunter...
She's from...
Schaffer. She's from Euphoria.
Yeah, I love that.
I love Euphoria. And this is... Ooh.
Is that what it's called, Euphoria?
Have you not seen it?
I've seen both. No, I always thought it was called Utopia. How have I got that so wrong?
You are such a plonker. It's called Euphoria. That's Dawn's phone, not her doing a little trump. This is a lip liner and ink duo. So what's this then? Lip liner and ink duo. So we've got, right, a lip balm one end. And then a liner, the other. Oh, I love these. These are great. And, let's try this. Is this a lip balm? Is that clear?
Yeah. A lip balm. What's the other end?
A lip liner. And they've got
the
loads.
Other end's a lip liner.
Yeah. Did you just miss that? Then we've got these, which are like micro liners. Oh, I'm liking this. Love it when Shiseido, like, you're quite like an old school brand, do something cool. Oh, what colour? Oh. It is, teal. These are great. There's loads of different colours.
I like the colour teal. It's nice.
Do you? Yeah. Good. What am I supposed to say about that? Just happy for you. Colour lip balm. This is a great collab. Colour balm. Oh yeah, the little nudie one there. Lovely jubbly. Oh yeah. Yeah. Love it. Love it.
That's nice.
Does it look like I'm in 1996? Like, you know, with like the nude where you put concealer on your lips.
Yeah, you just need a bit of blue eyeshadow.
I've got blue eyeliner here. I could go all out. So anyway, that is the new Shiseido and Hunter Schaffer collaboration. She's a global ambassador. Look what you can do. Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Okay, next up we have the UK's first collagen complex formula. What's that mean? Is it shampoo and conditioner?
Collagen for your hair.
Collagen for your hair, Dawn. It could become 20% thicker in just 8 weeks. Theo's going to want this. That boy. Wait, he did tell me maybe I need to change my shampoo and conditioner every day because I want my hair to be thicker. So there you go. We've harnessed the power of collagen once again, this time creating the UK's first collagen complex formula that specifically targets thin, fine and flat hair. We've worked closely with leading hair experts from Harley Street to create the powerhouse duo to meet the hair concerns and unmet needs of our community, aka Absoluters, who inspire every decision we make. The result is hair that's up to 20% thicker in just 8 weeks.
Wow.
15 quid each or 28 quid as a duo. Maxine Laceby Absolute Collagen. Guys, I'm going to get Theo to test these for us. Because I know he's been concerned about his hair for a long time.
His hair is fine.
To be honest, Dawn.
No.
It's taken a few pictures and there's a few areas
Really?
of concern. Thing is, right, Theo's got a scar from here to here, isn't he? Because we had a brain tumour. We're like lumping it. Don't worry, he's all right now. So he can't go bald. Well, he can. I don't mind.
I could not imagine him
bald. You can't go bald because
Bald, is that the phrase?
bald, but bald because he'll have this scar. He doesn't really want it. Anyway, he'll be fine. Right, next we've got Dutch Dirt Bloom Effects Tulip Drops. So what's this then? And Royal Tulip Nectar, fragrance free. Oh, I like things with a bit of fragrance though. But I do love this packaging. Yeah, fragrance-free but flower things. Following the successful launch of the US Dutch-born skincare brand Bloom Effects is expanding the UK at Harrods and Fenwick from now. It was founded by beauty marketeer Kim Van Haster on the back of extensive research into regeneration and hydrating properties of the tulip. As well as finding tulips to be 4 times richer in fatty acids and 2 times richer in organic acids than the most well-known beauty ingredient rose. Wow. Tulips also help promote cellular growth, boost collagen and act as a natural humectant. Using these findings, a breakthrough Bloom Effects proprietary Dutch tulip complex was born. Rooted in stem cell technology that serves as the basis of the formulas and supercharged with rich antioxidants, moisturising properties and amino acids, deliver 2 hero ranges for glowing, healthier, softer looking skin, and black tulip to help smooth fine lines of brighter skin. That's good, isn't it? That's exciting. And I love the packaging. Tulips. Royal Tulip Nectar.
It's a jelly cleanser, isn't it?
Yeah, by Bloom Effects. Lovely. It's nice when probably someone just picked a tulip one day and was like, I wonder what's in this. Wonder what's in it. Let's test it. From Blue Sky Thinking to Green Glass Bottle, we have Tada Harper. Oh, great. The Restorative Eye Serum, and then you've got a refill now as well. When you refill and reuse your new Restorative Eye Cream, you can save up to 6 bottles from the landfill every year.
Wow.
Well, that is great. It's a really nice eye cream, actually. It's really intense. And that's fab. Everyone should be doing refillable stuff now. And the glass bottles, obviously, as long as they're recyclable or made of recycled stuff, it's good. It smells really nice in that box. Oh, I've been waiting for this, baby. Sculpted by my pal Amy Connolly, who's just very, very amazing and inspiring. Has created... Now, when I spoke to her about this, she was like, this is a serum to go under makeup. It's not like a super intense serum. It's not one that's going to change your life in terms of your skin. But what it is going to do is it's going to hydrate and give you the most amazing glow underneath your makeup without all that kind of peeling. And it's called the Hydrating Serum, and it's also refill. And got hyaluronic, niacinamide in it, ceramides and shea butter. And yeah, it's going to leave your skin looking brighter and plumper with a lit.
And then you put your foundation on top?
Yeah. Which I think is good, isn't it? So it's this refillable pre-makeup serum. It's the perfect hybrid between beauty and skincare.
I always wear a primer.
Do you?
Yeah.
I never wear primer, but I wouldn't say this is a primer. Let's try it. Well, maybe Amy would. Oh, it feels lovely. Smells good. And gives you a glow. And it's not sticky. Oh, it's nice. Feels lovely. 92% said my skin feels hydrated all day. 95% said my skin feels instantly refreshed. That's very true. And 97% liked how makeup applied after. So that's Hydro Glow. But Amy Connolly. That was supposed to be an Irish accent and it wasn't, was it?
No, it really wasn't.
Hydro Glow by Amy Connolly. No, that was now like,
No, that was like
Liverpool. I'm from top of the morning to you. Hydro Glow. Amy Connolly. Dawn, come on. Come on. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. That was a good one. Don't shake your head at me, look. Right. Hello Sunday. Oh yes. Great. I was just thinking to myself, I need an SPF 50 for my lips while I'm away. And here is one. And then we've got one for your hands. And we also got one face moisturiser SPF 50. Now, when you are on holiday and need a lip balm, I always would go for a squishy tube. Particularly if you do suffer from cold sores. Because the minute you put it on your lips...
It's gone. Can't use it then.
No, because you've got the infection or whatever. Yeah. But it's got SPF 50 in it. And it's a lightweight formula, planet-friendly, all-round year protection, inclusive products. Really nice, this one as well. This is Blue Lights Protective too. Really lightweight on the skin. So that's just a nice brand. I love the packaging as well. I think it's really bright and friendly and colourful. And I love that they have a hand cream with SPF. Very rare. So yeah. Hello Sunday.
Really, don't you? I suppose you have it when you're like.
But yeah, you do. Oh, this is a cute bag. LPD, that's my name. LPD. Nice little bag. Sienna X Gradual Clear Self Tan Water Mousse. Well, that's a mouthful.
It is.
Clear Self Tan Water Mousse. Mousse.
Who's the mousse?
You've got light, medium, and deep. 20 quid. The Clear Self. I can't say it again. Is a new Gen Way to Tan. Build a flawless everyday glow with a choice of 3 variations depending on individual tanning preference. The vegan formulation contains no guide colour, meaning no development, stain transfer. Use it anytime, anywhere without getting residue onto clothes, towels or bed sheets. A light clean sheer upon application helps you to see where you've already applied, and it has a fresh summer fragrance, and it creates an at-home holiday aura with notes of peach, honey blossom, jasmine and amber, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it, it's got aloe vera, and the foamer pump contains 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. Also the bottle and cap are recyclable. Great! I've heard good things about this tan. You noticed my tan?
I did, I said the other night when we were out.
Oh yeah, and then I said, did you see my arm though?
Oh no, I haven't seen one. So that's like a water though?
Yeah, look
Water
at it.
mousse.
Look at it now.
Yeah, it doesn't look that bad though.
It does. I did it literally in 3 minutes at like 10 o'clock at night. Don't worry, I need to do it again. See, Loretta's actually tanning me tomorrow.
Yeah, is she?
Coming to Laura's to do a little spray tan. These I'm excited about. TOCU Wellness Awaits. I've heard about these.
You should do home things then now.
Yeah. We're excited to introduce Toe Patches, the new... Sorry, TOCU. The new feel-good fast life hack without the pill popping. Whether you're overindulged, working too hard or need an immunity boost, this patch is for you. You stick them on your body and they'll put vitamins into your body. So this one is cool for backup. It's got vitamin C, zinc, I can never say the word, and something else.
Where'd you put them anywhere?
Yeah. It's got 30 in. This one's got a goal getter. Good for brain function.
Oh my god, can I just stick them all over please?
Today is rest day. Aims to reduce pain and inflammation post-workout. Oh my god, I'm taking this. And about last night, helped to recover from hangover.
Take that one as well.
Can't drink on
Wow.
the holiday.
I'm sure you'll be...
It means fitness. How dare you think that me and Laura would smuggle in champagne? Yeah, I'm going to try these and let you know what I think, guys, because I think it's quite genius.
Yeah, I couldn't find them, as in prices for the UK.
Oh, okay, I'll find out.
But-
Do you know how much they were in America? Approx. Don't worry, we will find out. Have we done, Dawn?
We're done.
16.5 minutes, nice and short. We'll be back the week after next, like I said. The next one won't be short because we'll have a lot of
In
stuff.
2 weeks.
Anything to say, Dawn? Are you going to miss me?
No, not really. No, I will, of course I will. I'll be coming round for updates of the garden. Check that Theo's eating properly.
I mean, he will just eat sandwiches for the whole
Yeah.
week, literally. I actually just did a food shop that's coming tonight and I just got dog and cat food because I know if I actually bought stuff, he wouldn't eat it because he'll just I bought him some chicken and some bread
Yeah.
because I feel like that's all he'll eat. He'll eat that and beans on toast. He's a boy, that one. Right, guys, have a lovely week. See you later. Bye.